It's underway at BMO Field, the Canadian Championship final, second leg, tied at 2-2 from the first game in Vancouver.
It means everything to these guys, and that's why we love this game and we're excited to see who can advance and win the Canadian Championship.
Delgado into the path of Josie Altidore. Osorio pulls it back and the header is in from Sebastian Jamaica. Bradley with this one and Ricketts with a header. The glimmer of hope the Whitecaps had has disappeared.
I'm so happy we could bring another trophy to the club and to our fans, our beautiful fans, and you know, the boys worked hard again and we just want to continue this success with all our play.
Most importantly, we got a berth to CONCACAF and that's where we wanted to be again, and we'll be fighting again to get to that final.